Hello, this is me again for this another video, and this time I'm going to do like the walking distance video. No, this is not aftermath, it's still there. You know the rules. We don't go in there when they leave. I'm going to show you what they're doing. In the front of the place, yep. No, we can't go over there because they're working. Still January 17, 2023. It's about 5 o'clock at night time. Yep. And look at that. Still working over there. Yep. Yep. It looks like they're making like a small garage. Look at that. I'm walking a different... Sorry. I know we can't go over there while they're working. Give like a little close-up video. These men are having fun. When this is over, I won't be making these videos anymore after I actually build the damn thing. Just like a little behind the scenes. They just wave to me. They look so friendly. As long as I don't mess with them anyways. If I was a carpenter and not be a douchebag. That's this thing I learned from like the Sopranos. That's song quote by Christopher when they're at the construction site. Known as the no-show jobs positions. That's what they do. So I hope you enjoyed this another video update of the construction. Please comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other videos of the construction for January 17, 2023. Maybe, hopefully, I'll see you a little later if they leave by 5:30 or 5:45. You just take care and see you later. Goodbye.